Your SOS button is your backup alarm. You can activate the alarm from the phone and cancel it before you send it. The emergency buttons all link to 111. To add your guardians, tap My Guardians, then tap the black plus button. You can either manually fill in your guardian or you can tap Open Contacts and add them from your contacts. Tap Add Guardian. Once you have successfully added your guardians, you will see them in your active guardians. If they are in pending, they have not accepted your guardian request yet. Every alarm that you send is saved in your My SOS history. Here you can access the alarm recording, what was said, the location and the time and the date of the event. Text or WhatsApp and keeps your chats between you and your guardians private. The tracking box allows you to access your location movements when you have had tracking turned on your watch. The check-in function allows you to keep in contact with your guardians. You can select one or all, type a message, and send it to them so they know your whereabouts.